Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 BMW R1200GS. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2016 BMW R1200GS with 78,907 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, TPMS, and electronic suspension, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with a Puig headlight guard, an extended windscreen, engine guards, night driving lights, and BMW saddlebags. Powered by an 1170cc two-cylinder engine, the R1200GS puts 110 horsepower and 65 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.3-gallon fuel capacity, the R1200GS has a 250 to 300-mile range. It has a 35-inch seat height and a 505-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is also at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine guard, scratches on the nose plastics, and dents and scratches on the saddlebags. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.